In this video, we will solve this question and find the square roots of 8 plus 6 iota. So, we will suppose that this 8 plus 6 iota, I will take the square root of this number, but I will suppose that this number is equal to something x, y in terms of this. I will let us suppose that like that. But when we are solving the complex number, then always remember whatever we are going to suppose, it will be a complex number. So if I will solve it, I will take it, I will take the square root of 8 plus 6 iota as given, but I will suppose it that it is equal to x plus iota y. In general solution of our maths questions, we suppose the things, let the age of the father be equal to x, let the height of this thing is equal to x, let us suppose that this thing is equal to x. But when there is the case of complex numbers, you have to suppose it is equal to x plus iota y, right? So if we have to find the square roots of 8 plus 6 iota, I will suppose it the square root of 8 plus 6 iota and then suppose it equal to x plus iota y. After this supposition, I am going to simplify it. For simplification, what we will do, taking square on both sides, right? And then we are taking the square on both sides. This square and square root will cancel each other. And here we have left 8 plus 6 iota. But here, when you will take the square of this, x plus iota y whole square mean first term square plus 2 times first term, this is the formula I am going to use it, second term plus second term whole square, right? I am using the formula of a plus b whole square here. After doing this, now I am going to simplify it. To xy iota iota square y square. Again, in next step we are going to simplify it. In place of iota square, I am going to use the definition of -1, right? You can write it iota 2xy or whatever you want, you can write it here. It will be converted into -y square when multiplied by -1, and the terms here, they will remain the same because there is no need of simplification on this side, right? So 8 plus 6 iota is equal to this. Now you will equate the real numbers or real parts right here. We will write the real and imaginary parts too. Now we will equate real parts and imaginary parts to each other. Now a real part here is 8, so 8 will be equal to, what are the real parts? X square and minus y square, right? And what are the imaginary parts? 6 here and here is 2xy, right? We have two equations. Now from these two equations you can get the values of x and y. From here I get x is equal to 6 over 2y and it will become 3 over y after connecting with the table of 2. So the value of x is 3 over y. This value of x I will going to put it in this equations. Substituting method. So the value of x is 3 over y Can we solve it? Factorize it, taking the common, which is y square here. Take common, which is 1 here. Again taking the common between two terms, this is y square minus 9 is common here. First term we will left y square and second term we will left 1. So we will get two values. Y square plus 9 is equal to 0 and second is y square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now when I will equate it equal to minus 1, so there will be no solution of this equation because this will be again an imaginary value. When you will take y is equal to minus 1 under root, it will give you iota. So we will omit it and we will take this one. Here we have done a mistake. Here it will be minus. So here we have done, I think, a mistake. Y square, y power 4 here, I will take it here. 8y square and minus 9 plus 9y square minus 1y square and minus 9. When I will take minus 1 as common, it will give me y square plus 9 here, right? Here y square minus 1. So this value will be plus and this value will become minus 9, sorry, minus 9. So this value will be imaginary here. We will omit it, but this value will be plus minus 1. We will use this value, right?